This 2022 Forest River Sierra 384 QBOK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 41 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, smoke detector, spare tire kit, external shower, LP detector, DVD player, carbon monoxide detector, awning, microwave, air conditioning, refrigerator, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, front kitchen, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Sierra 384 QBOK is 13,132 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.